In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the sitemap for your Squarespace website. If you're managing a website, having a sitemap is critical for good SEO. It helps search engines like Google crawl and index your site efficiently, ensuring your content reaches the right audience. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to fine-tune their website's visibility, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and simple. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to set one up and follow along. To get started, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. If your Squarespace account is linked to Google, you can save time by using the Google login option. It's a quick and seamless way to access your dashboard without entering your credentials manually. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Squarespace dashboard. Now, if you manage multiple sites under the same account, make sure to select the correct site from the dashboard. This is important because your sitemap is specific to each individual site. Double check to ensure you're working on the right one before proceeding. Next, locate the settings area. You can find this by looking for the settings icon or an arrow in the top right corner of your dashboard. Depending on your version of Squarespace, it might look slightly different, but you should see it somewhere near the top of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the settings panel. Once you're ready, let's move on to accessing the sitemap itself. To do this, go to your web browser's address bar and type in your website's URL. After the main part of your URL, you'll need to append a specific extension /sitemap.xml. So for example, if your website is mywebsite.com, you would type mywebsite.com /sitemap.xml. This is a direct way to tell Squarespace's server to display your XML sitemap. It's much faster and more reliable than searching for the sitemap manually. Now press the Enter key on your keyboard to load the page. You should see the XML sitemap appear almost instantly. This file contains a structured list of all the pages and content on your site that search engines can index. It's a critical tool for improving your SEO and ensuring that search engines can navigate your website efficiently. Without it, some of your pages might not get indexed properly, which can hurt your visibility online. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Squarespace sitemap. From here, you can copy the URL of the sitemap or submit it to search engines like Google via their webmaster tools to enhance your site's discoverability. So now you know exactly how to locate and use your XML sitemap on Squarespace. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.